Now, for question 15, we are shown two boxes, box 1 and box 2, which are identical. Box 1 is lifted vertically, whereas box 2 is lifted through the same vertical height along a rough incline as shown. So, which statement is correct? Both boxes gain equal quantities of GPE. Okay, and this is true because at the end of the day, the amount of GPE that both of them give is going to be mgh. But take note that more energy has to be supplied to this box because there's an additional force of friction used. So there's some work done due to friction. Okay, there's some work done that is due to friction that needs to be supplied to box 2 in order to overcome the forces of friction. So statement 1 just says both boxes gain equal quantities of GPE as they are lifted through the same height. So this statement so far is true. Okay, but let's just check the rest. Both boxes gain equal amounts of GPE. This is true, as the forces do the same amount of work. And this is definitely untrue because this force is clearly going to be bigger than this force. Okay, let's call this force 2 must be greater than force 1 because of the frictional force. Now, box 2 gains more GPE than as the force does more work. Box 2 gains more GPE as the force does more work. As explained earlier, both have the same amount of GPE because mgh is the same. Now, box 2 gains more GPE as well. Okay, so definitely this is incorrect because as mentioned right from the start, both have the same amount of GPE. Okay, so answer is A.